Hey everybody, welcome to Life at Sunny Lee with Kathy Jarvis. It's been the usual week, mowing grass, doing laundry, taking care of the animals, and going to the gym 3 times. But there's been some other things that we've been doing also. We went and saw the high school parking lot. Now the kids, the seniors, can paint their parking lot spot. So we went one day and just kind of looked at the artwork and saw how they did it, and it's quite interesting. Some of them are very good artists and some of them have need a little help. But all in all, it was kind of fun to see what they did. And it's in second week of fall, of September, and it feels like fall. It's starting to feel like fall. It's been cool mornings and just kind of that, you can feel the fall in the air, let's put it that away. So that got me busy harvesting. Got me busy in the greenhouse harvesting. I harvested some green beans, some cucumbers, the potatoes, tomatoes, okra, cabbage. Harvest those this past week. And took care of well, we actually ate most of them. I didn't have much to freeze. And it's been cool, like I said. So we've been closing the greenhouse at night and opening it in the mornings on certain nights. I kind of watch the temperature, and if it says it's going to be into the low 50s or early 40s, or in the 40s, I'll close the greenhouse and then open it in the morning. If it's going to stay above 55, I leave it open. So you kind of got to keep track of the temperatures, because you need the air to go through there. You don't want it to get over hot. So it's been a little bit more work on the greenhouses as far as going out there and taking care of them. Let's see. We've had some problems with the apartments. Had some leaking pipes and stuff. So he's been doing a lot of stuff in town with the plumbers and stuff. And I've been doing some fall cleaning. Now, he said it was too early to put out all the Halloween stuff, but I've snuck a few things out. But one thing with fall cleaning, before you can put the fall decorations out, you really need to clean well. So that's been taking a while, like all week. I started out with the front porch here, and I'll show you how it looks now. Now, the first thing we did was take everything off the porch. And I scrubbed the porch down really well, scrubbed these mats down. And this glider used to have this cushion, had 2 of them on there, and one of them blew away in a windstorm. This one I found out by the woods. Never did find the other one. So I ordered a new outdoor cushion for this glider. Now, I also got 2 pillow covers, but I thought I had pillows that would fit inside of them, because I got 18 by 18 and I didn't, so I have to get an insert for those 2 pillows. And then I did put out my pumpkin, and last year I just stacked them. This year I hot glued them together so the cats can't knock them down. And I did put, the bottom one is full of rocks to keep it from tipping over. And come Halloween time in October, I'll just turn it around and you can see all the little faces looking at you. But for fall, this is what I did. Also, I got some fake greenery flowers and stuff and put into this little area here to make it look nice. Put up the wreath that my mom had made. Put out my Halloween sign, welcome. Figured, like I said, I got a few things in. Filled this vase with flowers, and I put out my little solar light, and that takes care of this room. Okay, this is what the glider should look like once I get the pillow inserts and put the throw out here for it. So that makes it a little bit cozier for fall. You can sit out here. We sit out here a lot in the evenings. And it's going to make it a little bit more cozier. You can grab that throw if you need to. And it's just kind of nice. I'm going to decorate inside. I usually don't do much with the foyer area here because most of the stuff is what we use every day. I have our everyday jackets here and work gloves down there. That's the de-icer for the pond. Shells, I'm not so sure what I'm going to do with those yet, so they're just kind of stuck underneath there. And everything else, that's her bed. I got the cover in the laundry right now. And down here I don't do much in the bathroom. I just kind of decorate this little corner with some fall items and a scent candle for fall. That's all I do in this downstairs bathroom. In the dining room, I changed out the summer stuff for the fall. Put the old Crocs in. These are old utensils, antique utensils, I guess I would say, because they're from my grandmother and from my mom. So I kind of just put those out just on the decoration. I'm going to put some fall leaves around here. I haven't got those down yet. And over here in my setting area, I put the Afghans down so you can kind of cozy up in that area also. So that's all I did in here. Kitchen, I usually don't do much in the kitchen because the kitchen to me is the work area. So I did put this little display on the edge of the bar. And I hung out my pumpkin face. And then over here with the coffee area, I just put 2 little signs. And that's it. Don't do much in here. I never hardly ever decorate upstairs, but I do decorate downstairs. And this is what I've decorated for fall this year. I got the tree. It doesn't have much on it because he says he didn't want Halloween yet, and I don't want to put a bunch of fall stuff up yet. But we did put the new pillows out and the Afghans. And I put the garland up. Okay, as you can see, we have a change of location. We had to come into town for a quick run. He's in at Home Depot and I'm still out here filming. We did have one appointment this week, and that was with a financial advisor. And I learned quite a bit, and it was a very informative meeting. Not for sure what we're going to do with them, but it was good. It was a good meeting. So that has been our week. And hopefully that these cool mornings won't get much cooler for a while yet. I'm not quite ready for winter yet. I prefer spring and summer over fall and winter. I used to like fall really well. Then after carrying mail for all those years in the fall and winter, I decided I don't like fall and winter that much anymore. So enjoying each day as it goes by. Remember, each day is a blessing from God. So enjoy it. Remember, like, share, subscribe, dream big, follow that dream, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.